How to install Uber Eats on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Uber Eats app on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the search section. Now here at the top you can see the search bar. So simply tap on it and here simply search for Uber Eats. And now here, once you search for that, on the result page, simply tap on the Uber Eats option. And here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the install button. And after that, the installation process will start. Now here, depending on your internet speed, you just have to wait for the app to be installed on your device. So here, just wait for the app to install, and here, once installed, you'll see the open button. So simply tap on it to launch it. And that's it. That's how you can install Uber Eats on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.